What's up, guys? And welcome to another video. And today we're playing Hunted. And but I played this before, so I was able to get to that level. But just for this, I'm gonna start from the beginning.
Sticking.
Just for this video. And if I keep playing this, I'm gonna just go little by little. Let's just go normal, not hard, cause I ain't no pro, you know. But wish me luck. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't played this in a long time. Loki might not pass this though. I might just lose. But it don't matter. Let's get to the elevator. Alright, what's the curse roll today? Oh, we're safe. Let's go. Okay.
Listen closely. See
Yes, I'll skip into the tutorial. There we go. I'm gonna circle around because I'm not sure. And I feel like they're right there. We're going straight. Oh my god.
death by monkey.
I thought it was right behind me, bro.
How embarrassing.
Well, shut up, Beerus. Alright, 221 more, yeah. Number one. Look at that. You going this way? Have the cross open. On the map. Because I need it. Launch. Okay, I need it. Okay.
Around with murder monkeys.
I don't know what was that, but alright, bro. Why am I lagging? Totally lag. Hey, my phone locked in last second. I messed up by going this way. Gotta run.
Gathered half of the shore. That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
Almost died. This is what I don't like. They pop out of nowhere. Like, they could be popping up right in front of you and there's nothing I can do out. No, let's do this. Stand down. I got sandwiched.
Oh dear, how embarrassing.
No, shut up, Beerus.
You are dead.
Oh my god.
Going up?
Second try. Bro, that's what I don't like. Like, I wish they could fix that, bro. Monkeys shouldn't be able to come right in front of you and then right behind you. Because then literally it's a guaranteed death right there. I can't do anything now to beat them. Nothing. Right, I'm cooked. Wait. I'm gonna stun them real quick. So I can get everything right here. Nope. We'll just go straight. Try to get as much shot as I can on my first one.
Right behind you.
Oh my
my
god.
Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Just shut up, bitch. What's the show? The comments be relying on me now. What?
Dear, how embarrassing.
Where did that come from? You already in half. Now I'm I don't know. Are they hiding?
If you don't,
Are they just
let them
waiting for
stab
me?
you in the face.
Bro, what type of... I'm gonna give this 3 tries. If I don't pass on 3 tries, I'm just winning even more, bro. I ain't trying to do this.
Right behind you.
So I got sandwiched again. No.
Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Man, shut up, Beerus.
You are dead.
One more time. One more time. Why does normal feel so
Going up.
hard? Like, where are they coming from? They're coming from left, right, up, down. From anywhere, literally. Like, I'll be getting chased and then one randomly pops up right in front of me. And what do you want me to do?
Now listen.
I can't, like, go backwards and then dodge both of them. Because the hole's not even long enough to do that. But no, that's a monster. I haven't heard of monkey. I don't know.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
Okay. Take you to the map. Nope.
Run!
You're going that way. You're this way. I'll take you. I won't miss it.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
Shut up. They're too smart. You see on the map, they would send one of their enemies after me, and then force me to go one way, and then they would meet me up at another area.
Thomas got you! Run!
Run.
Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
There we came back. Again? I'm not even halfway. These monkeys are coming out of nowhere. They're figuring out a way to make me think.
You've gathered past the I mean,
I don't know what I was.
I would have thought you'd have been shredded by now.
You just saw me got killed like 5 times. Maybe more, I don't know. Maybe less, I don't know. Bunch of monkeys got stuff on me. Let's see. 90, 93. This is the lowest we have ever done. I need a stone. Okay, it's something to the I'm guessing the monkey left there. They were all stuck. Okay. I hear them though. They do not sound happy.
Dead already?
No, we're
That's
going easy
okay.
now. I'm not doing this.
Nobody liked you anyway.
Shut up, Beers.
You are dead.
Alright, well, I'll be back. Let me get back to the lobby. Alright, well, I'm back. We're doing easy mode. If I can't be easy mode, I'm guessing that's just skill issue for me, bro. If normal is that hard, I wonder how hard it would be. Is there just monkeys everywhere, bro? Clear. It was peaceful for here. All the monkeys start charging at me, and they get me, literally. But hey, we're gonna see. Come on. Let's see if I could do this. Wait, be back. Quick Russian break. Alright, I'm back. Let's go.
Going up?
Oh, come on, bro. We gotta beat this. I don't know how I beat this before. I think it was on normal that I beat it on. But now I can't do it anymore.
Now listen closely.
Let me see. Come on. I'm gonna use this one now. Scared, guys. Okay, I think I will be able to beat this. Monkey weapon.
It found you.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Oh my god. The save of the century. Oh my god. There's no way. I got stuck in someone still went back there. Let me go this way. This way. This way. This way. Let me go this way. Oh my god. Ain't no way I survived that. Let me go this way. I think it's falling. Oh crap.
That's what you get for
That's my
monkeying
fault.
around
I thought
with
something was
murder
crawling on my back, bro.
monkeys.
Alright. If I'm not joking, I just felt something crawling on my back. Right at him. Nope.
Found you. Pretty easy to look for the monkeys.
Am I actually gonna lose that? Those monkeys. Are you locking in, bro?
Oh dear.
I need to lock in,
How
bro.
Embarrassing.
The monkeys are starting to lock in. Come on, bro. And that one's stuck right there. Let me get a stun real quick. Nope. They're right there. I think that was a smart choice not to go after it. Okay, I lost him. I should have done a shard down here. I'm gonna go this way. Go that way. Go this way. Go this way. Get out here. Go this way. Oh, it's a bunch of them. Go this way. Nice, 48 more. Come on. I have to make sure he's back on me. Should I go down? No, I'm going down. Now I'm gonna take a left. Good lead. Go this way. I think I'm gonna go this way. To loop around. Go here. Take a left since I see there's some shards in here.
It's closing in. Hurry.
That way. Now I'm dead.
Dead already?
Okay, I
That's
basically have
okay.
2 more lives. I cannot
Nobody
sell.
liked you anyway.
Shut up. I don't care. You're making me do all your dirty work. Why don't you come down here and try that? Yeah, it ain't gonna be nice, is it? It's not all butterflies and rainbows down here. I mean, it's not all unicorns and rainbows down here. I want the cool one. No, but don't sell. No, I got it. It's not sell.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder
my
monkeys. You are dead.
I don't have Robux. God. I'm gonna just play again. This was one of the most dumbest things I've ever seen.
Going up?
No, I'm going down. Oh my god. Is it really just Goshu? Do I just suck that bad at this game? Like, come on, bro. No, I got a plan. I think I'm gonna just go all right so I can get everything around the map. You know? Just stay right. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe this strategy will work. I thought that was a Kaioken. Nope. Let me just listen to what I said last time. I'm gonna loop this. And go this way. I'm actually clicking. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Falcon. Don't let this get away. Go for the Kaisen. This area. Way back.
I would have thought
In this area. I'm gonna ask it to be on. There you go. Yeah. Oh, that actually did really good. Now we just finish what we can now. I'll just keep doing the method I did last time. It works, it works. So this time I'll go a bit of a different path. 107 left. This time I'll go this way. I wasn't even near it.
That's what you
I
get
should've
for
dodged that.
monkeying around with murder monkeys.
Hitbox is crazy, bro. Look, now I'm stuck on the floor. Like, that wasn't even my fault, that was his fault. See, guys? We'll go this way. Let me hear Falcon. Kyle. Look. I was like, get over here. Run. Get out of here. He says there's some over here. No, wrong way. It's saying there is some. I'm hoping I'm far away from the monkeys to have some kind of difference. Monkey right there, the shot. I'm gonna go this way. Yep. I chose the right way. Clear this area.
Here it comes.
Yeah, I can do anything.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
monkey around with monkeys. Shut up. Hey, Jim, shut up.
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face.
Shut up. Look, now I'm stuck in the ground. Now I can't go that way because I know there's a monkey over there waiting for me. I'm literally gonna have to take the long way and hope I don't get murdered. I wasn't surprised.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
And now I'm dead.
You are dead.
Alright, one more time. Oh my god. Should I start left?
Going up.
I think I'm gonna start left. No? This is my last try. If I don't pass today. Another thing I don't like about this. Stay quiet, you know? And there's already a monkey after me.
consequence if you don't let them stab you in the face?
Shut up, Beerus. Look. Did you just see that? No, you all had to. You teleport out of nowhere. I knew that kind of thing. Don't let the monkeys corner you. Go, 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 run, 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and a 2, and a 2, 3, 4, 1, and a 2. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, at least I'm not running the monkey. Is he not going to tell me when the rest of the size was? No, I can't remember.
Thomas taught you. Run!
Thomas the Tank Engine. Okay. No more playing around. Stun, 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 stun. Thank you. They're waiting. They're waiting for me. They want me dead. They want me gone. They don't want me dead. I don't know what I could have possibly done to make them attack. Almost got me, please. Hey, I gotta stop being talking to the rest of these monkeys actually. I went the wrong way. I had to go down. And I went the complete wrong way. Come on, you gotta be faster again. I went the wrong way. Please. Telling me it's down there, but I think I'm gonna take the long route to be safe and go down here. Okay then. Look, I was right. Take the long route and go down here. Take the long route. Take the long route. Move there. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Yes! Yes!
The ring piece is now exposed.
You gotta run.
And the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring
Come on,
piece
come on,
first,
come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. There's a monkey right there. Gotta weave him. Weave. Oh no.
Hurry!
Monkey, monkey, monkey. What?
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
What? Yeah. Nah, y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. Nope, there's a monkey right there. Bro, please, come on, please.
That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
Shut up, Iris. I only get one more try, basically. I won't get any other tries after this. Nope, there's a monkey right there. And I'm guessing there's gonna be a monkey all the way over here. So we're gonna have to beat them all. We're gonna have to keep along the edge. Weave. Now it works. Let me in, please. Beerus, open the door.
He knows you're here now.
Let me
You
in,
need to
let me in,
escape. Get
Beerus.
to the portal. Hurry!
Open the door. 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 Where's it? Oh, it works, guys. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Beerus. Thank you. Let me free Beerus. Come here, run. Come on. Run, 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 run.
There's no escape.
Let's go! Oh my. Oh. I got an F on Sharp Break. I don't care. A B is good enough for me. Oh. Alright. Well, we passed? No, B's passing. We did it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. And until next time. Peace.